Today I'm going to show you how to plant your lavender seeds, and then as they grow bigger, put them into larger pots so they can thrive and grow as big as possible. First thing you need to do is what we did here is we got some small little pots that they're all attached to each other. They're literally for planting small seeds. And then what you do is you plant 1 or 2 lavender seeds in each of these little holes, and then you fill it with water, and then we've popped them inside here. There's holes at the bottom. You can buy these from a number of places, and then you can just close the lid so that and it's got holes at the top, so you can close it, and then it will have enough water going through it. You can keep watering it, a bit of sunlight gets there, and they'll heat up and it'll grow really well. Once they have, or you can have it outside, to be honest. You can have it outside as long as the weather's good, you get some good sunlight, it'll grow really well, and then you'll get these. So we've had these in for a while now, and what we're going to do today is we're going to take these smaller lavender plants. There's approximately about 2, sometimes there's either 1 or 2 or 3 actually lavenders that have grown in each one, and then we're going to plant them into these larger pots. As it grows bigger, it gets about this big, then we can transfer them into the garden spaces, whether it's the front garden, back garden. We can put it in small pots that we can put indoors. We can give these as gifts to a lot of people. It's really nice because as the lavender grows, there's a lot you can do with it once it actually comes to harvesting it. In the first year, you can get probably about 1 crop from it, but when it comes to its third year, fourth year, that's when it reaches maximum yield, and it constantly gets more and more and more over time. And to be honest, if it stays well and you take care of it, there's decades of joy to have from these and constant harvests. So what we're going to do is each one of these, you can actually grow these if you want in larger pots, as long as there's somewhere where you can grow the seeds. I'm going to give each one a little squeeze and then take them out. You can see the roots are wrapped around the actual little bit of soil that we had in there, so it's the right time to take these out. So squeeze a couple more. Good thing about these is that it comes out really good. They come out really easily. They're tapered as well, so you can easily just pop them into your bigger pots. Okay, let's take a couple of these for now, just to show you. Fill it with some good compost. Give it a little tap so it's not too loose, and then you're going to use your finger. Then make a little hole, just simply get it, pop it inside, cover it, and then firmly tap around it, and that's it. We're going to just water these one by one, and then each one of these will get one of these smaller plants. Even if it's, for example, pre-attached to it, because the roots all are entwined, don't change it, don't try and separate them, just plant them. In something like this, in each of these trays there's about 20 in each one, 20 sets. So, and then if some of them have 2 or 3 in them, you're looking at a lot of lavender. Just make sure these are kept in a nice sunny place over time and they're watered really well, and then you're going to have loads of lavender.